Whenever we hear word fat we have bad perception of it in our minds. But the truth is fats are essential part of food which provide us energy for rest of the day. The real question which arises is that if fats are so good why they have this bad perception. In this video Fitness Feast will answer this question. Watch till end to understand fats are good or bad for our health. What are fats? Fats are also known as fatty acids or lipids. Our body make most of the fats by itself. And those fats which our body cannot create itself. Those fats we need to consume through foods we eat. They are very important for us, but excess of such fats are also harmful. There are two main types of fats. One which are harmful and second which are beneficial for us. The first type of fats are those which are harmful for us. These fats are saturated and trans. Saturated fats are mostly present in animal meat, dairy products, etc. According to some studies, consuming saturated fats on small level isn't very harmful at all. But it should be avoided with some other healthy options. And on the other hand, trans fats are present mostly in processed foods, such as French fries, pizza. They are also present in baked foods. Consuming both saturated and trans fats increase the cholesterol levels of our body. This rise in cholesterol level can increase the risk of heart attack, stroke and different health diseases. Its excess can also lead people to obesity and inflammation. The second type of fats are those fats which are healthy and essential for us, such as unsaturated fats. These fats on the other hand are very healthy for us and recommended to us by most of the doctors. There are two main types of unsaturated fats. The first type of unsaturated fats are monosaturated fats. These fats are produced by human body and also taken as food. These type of fats are present in olive oil, avocados and most of the nuts. Monosaturated fats help in reducing the bad cholesterol level, which may also reduce the risks of different health diseases. The second type of unsaturated fats are polysaturated fats. These fats are not created by human body itself, so it must be added through diet. Polysaturated fats contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in fish such as tuna, salmon, etc. They are also present in walnuts, soybean and different types of seeds such as chia seeds, hemp seeds, etc. Meanwhile, omega-6 fatty acids are mostly found in sunflower oil, canola oil and soybean oil, etc. Consuming polysaturated fats have many health advantages. If they are used as the replacement of saturated and trans fats, they can decrease the bad cholesterol level, which will eventually end up in reducing different health diseases such as heart and liver diseases. How to avoid unhealthy fats? Fitness Feast will give 3 tips to avoid eating unhealthy fats. The number 1 tip is to replace the butter with healthy unsaturated oil such as olive oil for cooking and other purposes. Butter contains trans fat and saturated fat, which makes it unhealthy for the people. Replacing it with olive oil, safflower oil, etc., which contains unsaturated fats. This can decrease the bad cholesterol level from the body and replace it with healthy cholesterol. The second tip to avoid unhealthy fats is by eating nuts instead of unhealthy snacks. These snacks includes chips, chocolates, etc., which we buy, and they taste really good. But on the other hand, they are also very high in saturated and trans fat. Another bad thing about them is that they create cravings for them. We cannot fill ourselves on these. That's why we keep on eating more and more unhealthy snacks. Instead of eating these unhealthy snacks, we should eat healthy nuts. Although these nuts are high in fats, but these fats are unsaturated fats which are very healthy for us. They are also rich in protein and fiber. The third tip to avoid unhealthy fats is by eating lean meat. Eating lean meat means to pick up a piece of meat with very little visible fat on it and use most of the pure meat. If it have visible fat on it, we can remove this fat by knife. After cooking meat, use a paper towel to absorb the additional fat. This will reduce the amount of saturated fat from the meat.